In the past decade, wildfires have cost Utah an estimated $1 billion. With up to 1,000 wildfires each year, creating a Utah Forest Restoration Institute at Utah State University will be critical to managing these expensive and dangerous events.
The new institute will do three things: improve the management of existing fire risks and impacts within the state, secure federal funding for Utah-specific wildfire initiatives, and create a way for forest managers and researchers to collaborate on high-impact solutions for our unique circumstances.
Utah is one of the most wildfire-prone states in the U.S., and our forests don't always follow the same patterns of other western states. So far, we've avoided the megafires we've seen in neighboring states. But because of our unique topography, even smaller fires have big, long-term impacts. And now we are seeing things shift in fundamental ways.
It takes a lot of detailed work to understand the full costs of wildfire in Utah. But by creating the Forest Restoration Institute, we'll be able to develop solid solutions we can use right now for healthier forests.